Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So, a couple of things transpiring here. So, the first thing is we are, by the looks of things, heading back to this area of resistance, which is 12,890, and we ended up on Friday with a very solid bullish bar, open on our low, closed on a high, pretty much engulfing the previous 3 days. Okay, that's a very strong signal at the moment. So, linked to that, if I just add that triangle, we have a flat top triangle here. Now, the norm for flat top triangle is not normally to have a flat top triangle at a high. It's normally at a bottom, and you don't get a breakthrough and a retest of this area. But that's on the daily. Let's just park that thought for now. Looking at the 3 hour, that is going to give me my clues. So, first clue that I have is I've got a breakout of this channel. Okay, there it is there. Okay, we spent most of last week ranging, as you can see. Pretty much most of last week was just ranging sideways. And if I put a level in there, you'll see the green line, which is what price is currently at, would be the top of the range, and this is the bottom of the range. Okay, so we're ranging, we've got a channel, lots of confusion here. We've got to break this channel. So for me at the moment, I'm looking for a retest of this area here, and we need to come back to the hour for this one. Okay, you can see this area here, and I'm going to add another level here. Quite a bit of congestion here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we've got an intersection here. Call that 7. That's 7 attempts at this level, and we finally got through at the close. I'd like to see price come back onto this area. Okay, it could drift a bit lower. It could find itself pretty much as far down as 12,594. But I think for now, we're looking for 12,653. So earnings season really kicks off today. I know we started last week, but today is really when it kicks off. We've got Pepsi, which is the biggest one coming through for the US. And I think on the British markets, I think DNB is coming up on the British markets today. I'll just double check quickly. Yeah, DNB is coming up. So I think that's only really notable ones that are coming through today. From tomorrow, the bank starts in the US, and I think that's going to be the catalyst of what's going to drive us. So for today, I'm going to assume that this channel here is going to break. So I'm looking for a retest of that breakout and then a bounce. So going to be off for 15 minutes pretty much on the DAX. So we're waiting for a pullback into this area and then a rally. And I can see there's a bit of a wedge forming here at the breakout. So I would anticipate a pullback, and that pullback could come quite deep. Just bear that in mind. It could come all the way down into 12,594. That's very possible. Okay. Lastly, let me just go back to the hour so we can just eliminate some of the FUD here. Delete all that. We have a double bottom play here. Okay, so that's why I'm being a little bit wary about where your entry is, because we could come down to 12,600 area, and that would give me a target of the previous highs here. Okay, it may still run straight through there, but then that in turn sets up an even bigger double bottom, which is this one over here. Okay, all messy, very, very messy, not something which I would try and second guess. So in other words, what I'd be looking for is on the 15-minute, look for entries and look for clear targets, take profit areas, and that's what we'll be doing today until we get some earnings in from tomorrow onwards, some serious earnings in from tomorrow onwards. Okay, so that's my view at the moment. The bullish bar of Friday is pretty much, this is Friday's move here. You can see it just continued up, even though it was a little bit messy. but look at all the ranging price action that it took out. So that's kind of my view at the moment. If we do get above 12,800, ladies and gentlemen, we have pretty much targets. Once we get through this area here and find support, this gap at the top is your next big target. And then obviously all-time highs, believe it or not. Anyway, that's it for me today. Hope that helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.